Are you ready to take your English skills to the next level? Look no further. Welcome to my channel, where we embark on an exciting journey towards achieving B1 distinction and mastering real-life English. My channel is dedicated to helping individuals like you go from 15 shields in Cambridge exams to achieving B1 distinction. Whether you're a student preparing for language exams or simply eager to enhance your English communication skills, this channel is your ultimate resource. Join me as we dive into comprehensive lessons that cover essential grammar, vocabulary, and language proficiency tips. Together, we'll explore dynamic exercises, engaging activities, and practical examples that mirror real-life situations. Say goodbye to dry textbooks and hello to an immersive learning experience. By subscribing to this channel, you'll gain access to a wealth of educational content designed to facilitate your language growth. Expect regular updates with insightful tutorials, expert guidance, and interactive challenges that will make your English learning journey enjoyable and fruitful. Join our vibrant community of English enthusiasts. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and interact with fellow learners from around the globe. Together, we'll create a supportive environment that fosters growth and encourages continuous improvement. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your English skills and become a confident and fluent speaker. Hit that subscribe button and unlock the door to a world of linguistic excellence. Remember, learning English is not just about exams, it's about acquiring the language skills you need to thrive in real-life situations. Let's embark on this language learning adventure together.